So if you put a bracket on
Oh,
there,
it's gonna space it out.
Space it out.
see, that'd be just right. See,
Yeah,
I'll fix your bracket.
Well, wait a minute. That one was on the bottom.
How much was your bracket?
I would say that bracket. Didn't we say those things were like 1/8 inch?
1/8 or quarter. I didn't make it in 1/4 inch on a Harley.
3/16.
3/16 should be good.
Oh no, yeah, that's 3/16.
It's not very much.
Wow, it's adjustable now.
Yeah, it goes up and down and everything like it's supposed to now. So see that? It goes through like that.
Okay, so
you got a little over 1/8
so
inch
that must
material.
have been from a bolt that I had in there before.
Probably a previous bolt.
Yeah. It was probably the previous owner.
Previous owner did it, that's it. We'll blame it on the other guy. Okay, lay it up in there again.
That's
okay, so
about 3/16.
if you go all the way against the float bowl, see how you only got like a 1/16 inch gap in there?
So that's almost.
So when you move it out to here, see how the bolt no longer is hitting. So with no lock washer, it's the correct bolt on the bottom.
So that was awesome.
So that should give you full engagement of your threads, so you won't strip the carburetor out like you were doing.
Yeah.
And you should be fine. Now, if you get all the way tight and all of a sudden you feel like it gets tightened up and it's still loose, don't keep tightening. That means you probably are fucking your float bolt up. That's the key. The lock washers don't do anything, you don't need them. So I think this is the correct bolt for here.
Okay.
Now what do you got for the top?
It's a hell of a lot better than an Allen.
I don't know.
I don't like Allen. Allen doesn't really like me either.
Mr. Allen doesn't like you? That one would be
other
too
side,
long.
Yeah.
Now if you put too long in one here, what happens?
Well, you probably will crack
Then
that.
it breaks the whole carburetor. Low speed circuit becomes deactivated.
And that's what the welding machine's for.
See there, see how that one looks like it's almost going to work? But we're not sure if it's going to work. So, see you got a hole you bottom out in there. So now if you take this and tighten it up a little bit.
Yeah, this seems too long.
Yeah. Well, that's got to go
threads
through
are not
here.
very good.
Yeah, that's true, but
And
still.
this.
Where's your torques at? That's tight. Those threads are bunked up.
It still seems a little long.
That's not even all the way in there.
Well,
Okay.
That's money.
Go get your wrench.
Is that even the same size, or is that a bigger?
Same size. The threads are just screwed up inside of here. Or you might have a bunch of Loctite jammed
Actually,
in the
we'll
bottom.
leave the extension on just to
The threads
keep
don't
our
look the
distance
best.
out of the camera.
That's right. We don't want to show the.
Put the heat riser on there.
Now don't go tight. Just go until it just kind of quits moving.
I mean, I could keep going.
Okay. So you're
About right
making
there.
you're making threads. See.
Yeah, right about right there.
Then it stopped. So it was getting tight. So see
Oh,
how
that's
you're
good.
almost
Yeah,
the
but
same
once
height?
you crush the O-ring,
So you're right
probably-
there. So I would say you're going to probably have to put a washer into this one here to
We'll
keep
use
from
the
doing-
lock washer.
to do damage. It's right at the limit where you're bottoming out. Now,
Yeah.
if you took the bolt and shortened it up by about a 30-second by grinding it, that would make it.
Wait, didn't we have a
correct.
washer on the ground?
Yeah. Threw that away. That guy's closed over there.
The problem is there's no room in here for washers. That's the problem.
Well, no. If this head doesn't bind.
The lock washer kind of fits, but barely.
Cut the threads, dude. Cut the threads.
You can get a lock washer. You get a lock washer here and use it.
Crack that.
Yeah, that fits.
Yeah, as long as it goes in there and the bolt's going straight, you're all right. If it goes down the hill like that, then it's not working. Okay, so that'll give us our clearance. So now we're not bottoming out here.
Okay.
Flip it over. And you still got that much threads going into here. Plus the thickness of the washer.
And there's some dirt in there that we could probably get rid of.
Well, there's probably residue Loctite in there that you
Use
can
it as
take out.
Loctite, dude.
Yeah, see that junk in there? That's what's keeping it from going down deep. The light on? Light's off again.
Oh, wow.
So
It's
if you clean the
custom.
crap out in there. How come my light's not on?
Oh, whoa,
There it is.
there's actually,
There's a bunch of mung in there.
Somebody sealed it, dude. 3-bone.
Oh, there we go. We lost the camera.
probably 3-bone.
Oh, you got 3-bone in there?
I can't, I need a little pick.
So that 3-bone crap in there is causing issues. Okay, so let's
no,
grab a
this
carbonator.
no, this is Honda Bond.
Yamabon.
Or Yamabon.
Yamabani. So that's why it was getting mushy in there. Is it coming out yet? Can't lose that yet. We might need that yet.
Yeah, no, dude, it's cool. It's cool.
See, that's why the bolt was getting tight in there.
Now it's gonna be covered in there. You gotta blow that out, dude.
We got a lot of junk now coming out of
What
there.
is that?
It's Honda Bond.
Yeah, well, once you get that out, we probably will be able to use the bolt the way it was.
You know, maybe someone purposely did that suspension.
All right, let's
We
go.
need just a little
We need to blow some air in there.
Just blow it.
That's for
bike.
surely Honda Bond.
Bike's leaking under there.
No, that's the gas that you poured out.
I didn't spill no
That was
gas.
$6. What?
I thought you guys were gonna throw it on your bike.
I'm gonna get this crud out.
Okay, so we're gonna use a special tool over here. Okay, which size of air, what nozzle you wanna use, the big one or one that's one that's stuck down inside?
James.
So why don't you use the bigger,
Because it's
smaller
gunked
one?
up.
Why don't you use a smaller one that fits in there better?
One right over there hanging out looks good.
Can we turn the air on?
Oh, that's why the other one didn't work.
There's that residual air in there.
We got 35 pounds of air pressure right now. Maybe we should turn the air on a little bit. Ooh, there's a little bit. Oh, you got air now. Oh, you figured out to put the nozzle on. All right. Okay, let's see what comes out.
No, it's still in there.
Why not?
Suspension.
It's Honda Bond. It's meant to stay in.
Get it out of there?
No. I need a little pick.
You had a pick. It's called a screwdriver. Here, you work this. I'll go.
Honda Bond. Use it. Yeah.
That's some good shit, man.
That's not Yama Bond. That's Honda Bond.
It's garbage.
Maybe it's supposed to be in there, dude.
Maybe it's supposed to.
Custom, it's for cushion, man.
That's what I was looking for.
No, it's too deep. Too long. Oh, you got a broken one.
Who broke that one?
You're probably yanking on it. Nope.
You know what it is? It's meant to be in there. Honda Bond.
Turn the air off.
What was up the new exhaust?
Wait, man. Cool. What's this, dude?
You take a
What
quarter-inch drill
adjustment is
bit.
that?
Your speed?
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
So you take a quarter-inch drill bit. Turn it on a little bit.
It's still not coming out.
A piece of it came out.
That's old school, man.
Smaller one?
Bigger.
Man. Maybe that was JB.
No. No, it's sealer.
Yeah.
Let me put a big wad of it in there. Definitely doesn't want to come out though.
Maybe it should just stay right where it is.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
I mean, if I lose that, that's weight. It's more down the line.
Gas, dude. Taking a little more gas.
No, I was talking about lighter bike, faster.
Yeah, so
Lighter bike, faster bike.
shave the weight, save the gas. So I took that
No,
wash
drop
it.
that collet.
So I took
I
my
told you
washer
I'm
off
there,
of
been
my-
fine.
I saved your foot.
Yeah, it's alright. I definitely don't want to come out of there. It's loose. Just gotta get it out.
Stab it.
Look
With
at that air
that,
nozzle up there.
the one that's on the hose?
Yeah. One next to it. There used to be a nozzle back here, but all we got is this big one right here. See all the nozzles are laying up there. I just need a nozzle, I don't need the hose.
Oh,
I
You
have
didn't
my
say
own
that.
You
hose. I
didn't say
said
that.
nozzle.
might as well use this now it's connected. You
I
want to?
said my nozzle
Why is the hose that long?
because it's 50 foot. Look at this one. See, it goes here. Makes 3 loops line there too. Damn thing. Piece of it, isn't it? Good stuff in there. A chunk of it hit me. About half of it came out. The key is you don't want to screw up your threads in there.
Yeah.
See that piece right there?
We all have our appropriate safety glasses on. Our PPE is.
Wait, well, you gotta go pee?
No, our PPE.
You gotta go pee. You don't pee around here.
What do you mean? You're supposed to be on that old car out there, our workbench.
That's Scooby. That's Scooby's berry.
Scooby Dooby Doo.
Okay, we got most of it out of there now, but there's still a little bit in there.
That might help. Might
I
help.
can see deeper now.
Ooh.
Where's that screwdriver at? My pick.
Oh. It's up front.
What is it? The little miniature one?
Yep.
Oh shit.
Well,
Don't swear on my video.
it's like a rat nested in there.
Rat turd, huh?
Jeremy, I can't find it.
No, what? Oh no, the screwdriver's outside.
Oh, okay.
I got one right here.
Oh, your pick. You put your pick away.
More screwdriver. You got most of it out.
Whatever that is perfectly content right there in that hole, dude.
It's part of actually the bike.
It's pretty much all of it's out of there now.
Yeah. It was a barn find.
Okay, where's the bolt at?
It's out on the workbench outside.
The workbench with all the tools?
It's on the workbench.
With all the tools?
Unless some guy came by and took it.
Some random dude's pocket on the bus.
Yeah. Here's the workbench, by the way.
That's the secondary workbench. The main one's on.
Man,
Look at that bike out there.
did somebody make that oil bag by hand and had it chrome too?
No,
That's all by hand. Sheet metal. Sheet metal.
Little oil bag.
All right.
this is a crow.
That's $60.
I'm not going that deep by hand. Yeah,
Ooh.
That's good.
Ooh.
that was by hand. Still going down. I'm going to keep pushing it. But see now,
No.
we're well below the surface.
Oh yeah, we can crush that O-ring and still be.
Now we got plenty of engagement now. We took that 4-inch layer of crap out of carburetor.
Don't use Honda Bond on.
Intake manifold. Most of those chemicals gasoline each
We
other
don't
anyway.
even know what it is.
But gas
You
don't
can still
get
see
in
a
there.
little bit. You can still see a little
Yeah.
bit down in there, but it's you got most of it out.
You wanna see?
It's not enough for Rob gas.
Wow.
It's still in there a little bit. It's sticky stuff. It's got good.
I'm sure it's gonna make the bike run way better without it.
Dude, it's cushion for the bowls.
There you go.
All right.
Yeah, it's just in there a little bit.
Next step.
Next step.
O-rings on bike.
So we got bolts.
Nice. We didn't even have to change. We didn't have to replace the bolts.
It goes like that.
We just-
like that. Like that. Where's your bolts at?
Upside down.
Bolt in
Wait.
here.
Yeah, no, it's top side. That's right. You have to have S and S on the top so people know.
Oh, you don't want the X number on top?
No, you want people to know that it's an S and S.
That way they know it's
Manifold.
good stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Like it's made for it and everything now.
Well, now we're gonna have to take it back off. That one though.
That one's too long.
No, it should be good. Can't you? You'll see it pop out.
Swung it. Right back to the swung it.
Yeah, we can probably sell that. You can see it?
Not yet, but it's getting hard.
Yeah, but remember our 3/16ths from our.
Right, but we're right here and we still got room to go yet.
Remember these are
Still
new
good.
ones. These are new
Okay.
ones.
Your light
These are
on?
old.
Yeah, light's on.
Yeah, it's just dark.
Yeah, we got zoom on there too.
Keep it still. Yeah, we haven't even poked out yet.
I
We're
know.
right at the base.
We're flush. Yeah, we still got more room. So we got plenty of room.
Okay. Well, I wouldn't say plenty.
Yeah, there's plenty of room. It's not going to be a
3/16ths.
problem.
That was chrome too, so the chrome
That
adds.
at least another 15 thou.
Yeah, on each side.
So there you go. So you can put these on here and everything?
You want me to put it on the bike with the carb attached to it?
Oh, can you do that?
I would say it'd be a lot easier
All right, we'll be back.
Not on camera.
Go put this stuff.